For your tomorrow's menu, we suggest you prepare lahmajoun as an appetizer. Fill half a measuring cup with warm water and add the yeast. Mix it with a spoon until the yeast dissolves. In a bowl, add the flour, sugar, and oil and mix well. Add the water with the yeast to the flour and keep mixing. Continue to knead the dough by hand. Keep kneading until the dough becomes soft and fluffy. Return the dough to the bowl and cover it with a towel. Let it rise for 30 minutes. Cut the red pepper into squares. Add them to a bowl. Cut the green peppers into squares. Remove the skin of the tomato and cut it into squares. In the same bowl with the peppers, add the meat and tomato. Add salt and pepper and mix it with a spoon. Place the ready dough on the table. Cut it into 2 equal pieces. Form balls with each piece. Start rolling the first ball dough and form a long shape. Put the rolled dough in a baking pan covered with a baking sheet. Spread half of the meat filling over the dough. Roll the edges of the dough inwards. Do the same thing with the other rolled dough. Sprinkle the lahmajoun with some oil. Put the baking pan in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes at max temperature. Remove the pan from the oven. Put 1 lahmajoun on a serving plate. Decorate it with hot pepperoni. For preparing this appetizer, we needed 60 minutes. Bon appetit!